अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे कंसेक्वेंसेस ऑफ स्पेशल थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी। तो हम इसकी रीडिंग स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। कहना वीडियोस में सिर्फ इसकी जो है ना वो रीडिंग करते हैं, ठीक है। तो चलो स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। एज वी एग्जामिन As we examine some of the consequences of relativity, we will find that they contra- contradict contradict some basic concept. Yeah, simultaneity है क्या है? Two events that are simultaneous simultaneous in one frame, or in general not simultaneous in a second frame moving with respect to the first. That is simultaneity, the occurrence of two or more events at the same time is not absolutely not absolute concept, but a relative concept that depend on the state of motion the observer. Einstein devised the following thought experiment to illustrate this point. A box car moves with uniform velocity into lightning bolt strike and end of the boxcar is shown figure 18.4. Leaving mark and the boxcar and ground. The marks left on the boxcar are labeled A and B. Those on the ground are labeled A and B. Okay. Oh, an observer at zero moving with the boxcar is midway between A difference and B difference, and ground observer at zero is midway between A and B. The event recorded by the observer are the light signal from the lightning bolts. The events recorded by the observer are the light signal for the lightning bolts, and the two light signal reached observer at zero at the same time. This observer realizes that the light signal have traveled at the same speed over equal distance. Thus, observer zero concludes that the event at A and B occurred simultaneously. Now consider the same event as reviewed by the observer on the boxcar at zero difference. By the time light has reached observer zero difference has moved. Thus, the light signal from B difference has already swept past zero difference, but light from A difference has not yet reached zero difference. According to Einstein, observer zero difference must find that light travel the same speed as that measured by observer zero. Therefore, observer zero difference concludes that the lightning struck the front of the boxcar before it struck the back. This thought experiment clearly demonstrates that the two events which appear to zero uh, to be simultaneous do not appear to be simultaneous to zero different as well. टाइम डायलेशन ये इसमें बी है, ये इधर ए हो गया सिमुलेटनेस. अब ये आ गया टाइम डायलेशन डायलेशन है, ये डायलेशन या डिलेशन है. डिलेशन डायलेशन डिलेशन time dilation. Okay, the time taken for an event to occur within its rest frame is called proper time. Delta TP observer in different frames relative motion will always judge the time to be longer, called at a dilation delta t is. ओ इधर क्या है ये, फॉर यू इन्फॉर्मेशन mathematical proof of the time dilation. Oh, consider a vehicle moving to the right with a speed v as a figure. A mirror is fixed to the ceiling of the vehicle and a laser at distance d below the mirror emits a pulse of light directed toward the mirror at some later time after reflecting from the mirror. The pulse arrives back at the laser observer zero difference at rest. With the system measure the time interval delta t between these two events as delta tp is equal to 2d divided by c. Now consider the same set of event as viewed by 0 and second prime. According to this observer, the mirror and laser are moving the right with the speed v, and as a result the sequences of events appear different. ओ तो यहाँ तक काफ़ी है. अस्सलाम.